The iPhone 16 Pro Max looks to be the biggest iPhone ever, literally. And we should everything from a powerful new A18 Pro chip and new capture button on the design to improved cameras. Apple is also expected to unveil a large array of AI features with the new iPhone to better compete against Samsung's and Google's flagships. Plus, we could see an even bigger battery and upgraded Wi-Fi 7. Here's everything we've heard about the iPhone 16 Pro Max so far. According to early rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could get a major size increase, growing from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches. This would make the 16 Pro Max the biggest iPhone ever and slightly larger than the 6.8-inch Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This increase in screen size is also tipped to be accompanied by a larger battery as well. We've also heard some speculation that Apple could hide the remaining Face ID sensors under the display of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. That would reduce the necessary cutout to a single circle for the selfie camera rather than the pill-shaped cutout of the dynamic island. However, we may have to wait until 2025 and the launch of the iPhone 17 Pro to see this actually happen. Apple has doubled down on giving the Pro iPhones a better chipset than Standard and Plus models. It's pretty likely Apple will do the same thing with the iPhone 16 series. That means we'll likely see an A18 chip on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models, presumably an A18 Pro. Other iPhone 16 models may be in line for different A18 variants.